Ladies and gentlemen, I am your friend Bhairav Sao. This is Ramraja Thola station, and after my first tuition class, I came to have a cup of tea and with some other cookies. Actually, after the first tuition class, I felt very hungry, so I had a break, enjoyed some beautiful time here, and now again I have to go to attend my another class. So this is our area. You see, this is the Ramrajatola station crossing. That it is now raining, so I am holding my umbrella in left hand, and with the right hand I am holding the handle of my bicycle. So in a balanced way I am crossing the railway. So my friend, let me introduce different areas of our area. This is, as you know, that Ramarajatola station area. This is the crossing, and it is now raining, so I had no other way but to carry the umbrella, though it is somewhat troublesome that riding my bicycle and holding my umbrella in one hand. By the way, I have to go to Jogacha area, and this road is called Mohihari Road. Anyway, my friends, stay with me and enjoy different things by the roadside. So that's it. Let's go. So my friends, I have come nearest to my student's house. So until next time, till then, bye bye.